With Acumatica Manufacturing Edition, you can manage every aspect of your manufacturing process in one place and boost efficiency with a comprehensive and mobile manufacturing ERP designed for your unique needs. In this video, we'll highlight Acumatica's manufacturing data collection, which allows you to capture shop floor data in real time and allows you to get a better look at actual costs and inventory on hand. You can use Acumatica's browser-based version or the Acumatica mobile app. We'll start inside the browser-based version with a material issue, although the process is similar to issue direct labor to a work order. Depending on if you backflush materials or not will determine which type of transaction you complete, move transaction or materials transaction. For this use case, we'll say we don't backflush. So we'll need to create a materials transaction to issue items into WIP. Once you have all the necessary materials on hand for a given operation, you can begin to issue materials to the production order. In the production order maintenance screen, we will select our order, which is a Keurig, and within this window, we'll be able to see our general information, log of events, as well as production totals. The Totals tab will show us the job costs associated with this work order. I will be able to see all planned costs based on the bill of materials as well as my actual costs as I begin to complete the work. As you can see, I already have a $277.25 material cost based on the planned materials needed for this one Keurig. One of the many ways to release materials is from the Critical Materials wizard, where I will be able to see all the materials Acumatica believes will be needed in order to complete the Keurig. You do have the ability to make changes to this order as they are just suggestions, so you could alter the quantity or add another item. If using lot and serial numbers, you can change your allocations on the screen if you have permissions to do so, or Acumatica could suggest based on the rules that you have configured. I will not make any changes, and when I select release, I will see I have some charges funneling in. Now I am currently seeing a variance between my planned costs and my actual costs, and this is just because we are early on in the production process. As we progress throughout the production process, the variance between our planned costs and actual costs will tighten. As mentioned earlier, material costs can be backflushed within Acumatica, and to do this, we will utilize the move action, which is saying you are moving from one operation to the next. We will demonstrate this now, but from the mobile application. The Acumatica mobile app is supported by iOS and Android devices. It allows you to scan materials, clock in and out of workstations, and scan move transactions. So we will complete a move transaction to complete this production order, only this time it'll be from the mobile app. I'm going to print out my production ticket or job traveler, which will include barcodes that I can utilize to scan my shop floor data. Once you have logged into the Acumatica mobile app, we'll scroll down to the manufacturing items as we did earlier. I'll drill into our scan move, where I will now receive a series of prompts that will guide me through the scanning process. So I'll use my mobile device to scan our production order ID from our ticket. And based on the barcode that is scanned, Acumatica recognized the correct prompt was scanned and moved us to the next operation, which in this case is our assembly job function. As we scan through these operations, Acumatica will recognize the item we are creating. Once we have scanned our final inspection, we will be able to release the transaction, which has now put this production order in completed status. Looking at our details on the production order on the browser version, you will see we have updated event history with our move transactions listed, as well as additional totals. All of this generated in real time with no latency. Interested in seeing more? Please contact our dedicated Acumatica certified team at Opus to schedule your demo today.